guys, hope you're good. Like I promised, I was going to bring back results about the sponono machine. As for washing, yes, it does wash. It washes, but the problem is the spinning part. That basket is very small. Let me show you here. It's washing. So it washes, but not a lot of clothes. You don't have to put too much things in there, otherwise it will get stuck. It won't even move. So just a few clothes. Yeah. So what can I say about it? If I should recommend or not, I'm not sure. But guys, it washes, but the spinning part